this short video, I'm going to show you how to work with the brush tool in Photoshop. So come on, let's dive in. We are going to learn about the brush tool. The brush tool can be found in the toolbox here. If you click on the brush tool, you can notice that the properties of the brush tool have been displayed here. Let us look at them step by step. By default, when you select the brush tool, the brush size is set to 13. This is where you can see the brush size. PX stands for pixels. Now this size can be increased or decreased by either moving the slider up and down or by just keying in the value. Suppose I type in 75 pixels, then I get a brush of this size. And I can make strokes by just dragging my cursor. I can make my brush even bigger. Now it is at 300 pixels and I will get a thicker stroke. Also, I can make it very smaller. Now it is in 12 pixels and this is what I get. Let me explain to you what is hardness of a brush. Right now the hardness is set to 100% and the size, say for example, let it be 40 pixels. Now I will draw a stroke here. Now I will change the hardness to maybe 30%. And with the same size brush stroke, I create a stroke here. Now I think you can visually see the difference. To understand this better, let us zoom in. What you can see here is the stroke done with a hardness of 100% has a more defined clear edge, whereas the stroke done with a 30% hardness has a much softer and blurry edge. Now this is one characteristic of a brush tool. I hope that was useful. Thank you for watching. If you feel that somebody would benefit from this video, please do share and do not forget to hit the like button.